I'll ask it. Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? Today we're playing Roblox Rivals with my guy at Dragon Ivory here. Sorry for the less uploads. I only do one upload a day, and without him mostly. Sorry for that. But today we are playing.
I
Are
have a couple of
you?
interesting things happening.
Are you in my server?
No, I'm currently doing something real quick.
Join me.
Okay, not fine. I'll do this
I
later
I
on.
I bought a lightsaber, a sasta lightsaber.
Let me guess. You got a wrap on your katana.
No, IRL lightsaber.
Oh,
I was
bro,
bro, when I got
Roblox
it
again.
in front of everyone. I only know three moves of Demon Slayer, which I know. Like I know them good. Water breathing 11th form, dead calm.
Oh, I know.
Lightning breathing first form, thunder and clap. Lightning breathing 7th form,
No,
thunder
it's thunder
dragon.
flash clap.
Bro,
No,
whatever.
let me tell you something. Water beating first form, water, surf,
Yeah, water what?
water flash, water beating second form, water lateral water wheel, water beating third form, water breathing fourth form, striking tide. Are you kidding me? Okay. Water breathing fifth form, blessed rain after the drought. Water breathing sixth form, whirlpool. Water
Oh,
breathing
shut up,
seventh
shut up,
form.
just shut up.
Water
I
breathing
will, I
blast.
will, I will, I will in 5 to 6 days. I will try to remember all of these names.
No, water breathing eighth form, water bastion. Water breathing ninth form. I do not remember. Water breathing tenth form, water complex dragon.
Okay. It's mirror matchup. It's mirror matchup.
Hey bro, we're in France. Oh, am I actually gifted loadout?
Hey, they also have that. Don't forget.
No, I'm saying this is totally loadout with good features.
Bro, I have. This is my first time choosing this. I'm using the mouse for the first time. I accidentally did right click because I'm new with this mouse. They're just spamming katanas actually. Bro, why katana users? Spammers. I am assisting you.
Okay, Ahmad, when you use the AR, always reload if you're a bit low on. Oh,
Bro, what the hell is this loadout?
Ahmad, I'm gonna be using the spear and the flare gun. Let's okay.
Everyone is going to be using that. Do you think anybody knows
Ahmad,
how to use? I'll try to use the bow.
save your flare gun. Save it.
I'm
Because
flaring them.
okay, I flared. Why are you using your bow? Flare.
Because everyone is using a
Flare the
spear. So
ground.
if
Yeah, good
it
word.
is all, I already look. This bow was actually good because everyone was using spear.
Ahmad,
Oh shit, bro! Listen. Freeze ray and flame. Freeze ray and flame. Else we are not flaming. Use the Uzi. I'm telling you, use the Uzi. They will be using flame. So if they get close, we run away.
Well, one of them just got close, but Ahmad.
Why did you just die? Why did you just die?
Because he chose me, Sherlock, and you just confusion them.
I'm dead. Aja.
Look from behind you. Oh, I did some decent damage to him.
Bro, I did it.
No, I also did some decent damage. I said decent damage. Can you not understand decent?
This was your fault.
No, it was your fault because he freeze ready me before.
Bro, what the hell? Do we have to go against this loadout?
Flashbang. I'm gonna flashbang.
I don't even know how to. I got flashbang. I'm just running right now. I got cooked, but I did 70 damage because I got flashbanged. You're getting flashbanged. I did 70 damage to the yellow guy. My fault. Sorry, my fault.
You were rushing too quickly.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't know how to use any of these except for the mole.
Permafrost.
What are you going to do with the permafrost? Freeze them?
Yes,
Oh yeah, you actually can do that. Forgot about that. I tried to freeze them.
Just one them.
I did 90 damage to one. Would you mind helping me? Never mind, don't help me.
No, teabag him now. Teabag.
Yeah, teabag. Bro, what the hell? The best thing here is the energy pistols, and the katana is no use.
Because of distortion. Smoke grenade. Maybe.
The katana is no use, and because of red. Bro, what the hell? Two energy pistols go through the katana.
No.
Killed one.
Come up. Together.
Everyone is using like energy pistols, like distortion doesn't exist.
Because everybody hates it. I'm on my daily task. 2 of my things give me Nova.
I got supernova one more time. I cooked him. Bro, how did you get the kill?
I stole it.
You stole it.
Salty.
You just. Bro, don't go close. Listen. Aslan, please. Don't go close. Try to go far range with the bow. Bro, I am getting flashbang. Don't try to get close unless they get close first. I think they have the same idea as us. Wait, I'm going close. I did 75 damage to one. The yellow one, I did 75 damage to him.
Yeah, the other one when he goes with Bo and he's pro. You're good. This is pro.
Did you do damage? Did you do damage?
Yeah, I did 45 damage to it.
Wow, so much damage, bro. I did 70 something, 100 something. Bro, again, we are dead. Oh, never mind. Just camp, start camping. When they get close, we'll run. Because of the Molotovs.
I have an idea. Molotov.
Yeah, when they will Molotov us, we'll run. Wait, let me try something out.
No.
Now run. Use Molotov. I also use Molotov. I got a headshot with Molotov.
Oh shit. Oh, 60 damage. I'm at 60 damage. Come on, I'm please.
Trick shot, bro. Gunblade, knife. Yeah, knife. Let's do a knife battle.
I'm gonna be using gunblade.
Wait, let me put this here, and this here, and this here. Ouch. I did 55 damage to someone.
Where is he?
Trying to kill him right now. I did a lot of damage to him. Yeah, he's dead. Can you help me a little bit? It will work. Never mind.
This is
Bro,
fun,
मेरा matchup is fun.
Yeah, that was very fun.
मेरा matchup is so fun. Like, you know your opponent's loadout, but it's all random. It's like RNG but better.
Who's either gonna be cringe or who's gonna be better?
This is like a mixture of default loadout and Alive's RNG.
No, this is yeah, Crossroads is the best map because it's big.
Probably, yeah, you're right. So you get time to think what you want to do, but in arena you don't. Oh yeah, everyone is bro. You know what? I'm bouncing. You got me bouncing. If I jump out of the map, it's your fault. Bro, this guy is a crossbow pro. I'm using exogun on him. I got cooked, but I did do some damage. 50 damage. I did 50 damage to the other one, and you got cooked. He was paid to win. He was paid to win. Look at his exogun skin. Everyone knows what to do. I'm using daggers.
What are we gonna use? Daggers or?
I'm using daggers because if I get too close, they will. Never mind. I'm running now. I did 40 damage to one with daggers. Yeah, I'm getting cooked with daggers. Obviously, they both teamed up on me. I wasn't even using grenade launcher. You forgot to team up on them.
Forgot to team up on them.
Bro, what the hell is the same? Not my fault actually. I did damage. No, they were paid to win. Oh, bro, I thought. Bro, crossbow again.
Well, I must get rid of the mobile player. The mobile player is gonna be the real threat.
The real threat. Yeah, he was the real threat last time as well. Yeah, the real threat is here. I did 30 damage to the real threat. You cooked the real threat. The fake threat remains. Oh bro, I cooked him.
I did 30 damage with quick melee, bro.
Oh bro, what are we supposed to do? Fist them to death?
Honestly, that's probably the best option.
Oh, now they're using distortion. I did some damage. What are we supposed to do? Fist them to death?
Looks like it.
Where is he?
Bro, my game was so laggy that you guys were standing still again. Yeah, bro, honestly, fisting him is... I'm gonna flashbang him.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Flashbang and then trap him.
He had the same idea. I think he's listening to us.
Is he whose walls is he in? That's the question.
Where
Mine
is
or yours?
POV distortion far range. Not my fault, bro.
He has Galactic skin. He's paid to win.
Yeah, I know. Oh wow, you're cooked. They're cooked. Or we are cooked.
I must close the entrances.
I'd rather use flashbang. Look away. What the hell? I didn't. How did he kill me? He was flashbanged. This is cheaters. Seriously, I didn't even.
How did he pass
my thing? What the hell is that, bro? What in the actual hell? He's too short. You're one. He's one shot. He's way lower than you. 25 HP lower. Now you're cooked. Yeah, you're cooked. Yeah, you're definitely cooked. You're lower than him. You're cooked. PC versus mobile. Mobile wins. Bro, again.
Oh, this is good loadout.
Are you sure they have the same one?
No, I'm saying that. Yeah, but sniper get them low, so that them.
Now they're spamming exogun. A guy is spamming exogun close. How did he kill me first? Bro, I can't compete with mobile players. Actually, this is a very goated loadout. Actually.
Katana the.
I'm going close range. So if they do use shorty on me, I will use katana. Bro is trying to katana. Both of them are on me. Both of them are on me. अबे reload नहीं थी. I did 37 damage. He's way more HP than you. Now he's lower than you. He's too short. Use it. Oh, never mind. He's one shot. You're carrying me with the crossbows. Now I can carry you happily.
This is goated.
Bro, I'm goated.
No, bro, this
I'm when I get 100 million subscribers, I will do a lightsaber battle IRL with you. And I know that will never happen. That's the reason I said 100 million subs. I don't want to do a lightsaber battle with you. You'll even use breathing techniques. I will be Tanjiro, you can be Zenitsu. Or
No,
Kaigaku, you can be Kaigaku. Yeah, I got cooked. I didn't even do damage. I think they are hacking.
No, I cooked them.
That's